Hello and welcome to French for Nigerian students. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 keywords when using your telephone. It is very important when learning a new language to set your telephone language to that new language you are learning, okay? Very important, okay? So if you really want to speak French faster, set your telephone language to French, okay? Then I'm going to give you 10 words today which are very important, which are very useful for you to know to be able to access your telephone, okay? Let's begin. We are going to work in 3 steps. Step number 1, I'll give you the words, okay? Step number 2, I'll give you some examples of phrases you can encounter on your telephone. And the last step, I'll give you exercises to do. So stick to the end so that you can do the exercise and submit, okay? Thank you. Let's begin. The first word here is désinstaller. Désinstaller. Désinstaller means uninstall, okay? Second word, partager. Partager means to share, okay? Third word, vérifier. Vérifier, to verify something, okay? Vérifier. Number 4, supprimer. Supprimer, to delete something. Another word here can also be nettoyer, okay? Nettoyer, to clean up something, to delete something. Annuler. Annuler, number 5, annuler. Annuler here simply means cancel, okay? Cancel. If you wanted to cancel an action, you just click on annuler. Number 6, éteindre. Éteindre. Listen clearly to the pronunciation. Éteindre, okay? Here simply means to shut down or turn off, okay? To turn off something, okay? Next word, redémarrer. Redémarrer, okay? Redémarrer, to restart, okay? If you want to restart your telephone, then you have to click on redémarrer, okay? The next word here is gestion. We are actually looking at gestionner, gestionner, okay? Gestionner, okay? So that simply means a manager not in the sense of a bank manager, for example, okay? We are looking at gestionnaire like gestionnaire de fichier, okay? File manager, gestionnaire de fichier, file manager, okay? The next word, les applications mobiles. Les applications mobiles, mobile apps, okay? Mobile applications. And the last one here is actually the first thing you actually see on your phone, which is l'heure et date, okay? Time and date, okay? So I'm going to give you examples now to each of those phrases, each of those words, okay? I'll give you examples. We go to the first word, which was désinstaller. Désinstaller, that is to uninstall something, okay? If you click on an application and you want to uninstall that application, you're going to receive a pop-up message. Voulez-vous vraiment désinstaller cette application? Voulez-vous désinstaller cette application? That is to say, do you want to uninstall these applications? This application. Now you see two options. Annuler, désinstaller. Annuler, désinstaller, okay? You see those two options. So which one do you choose? Voulez-vous désinstaller cette application? Do you want to uninstall this application? You see désinstaller, annuler. If you click on annuler, it will cancel the action, okay? It will not uninstall. If you click on désinstaller, it will uninstall the application, okay? Number 2, partager. Partager la photo, partager le texte, partager la musique, okay? Share the photo, share the text, share the music, okay? If you wanted to share something, you click on an app and you see the word partager, okay? It means share, okay? It means they want you to share it. Partager, if you click on partager, you will have links to where you can share those applications. Number 3, vérifier les empreintes digitales. Vérifier les empreintes digitales. Verify the fingerprint, okay? Vérifier les empreintes digitales. Vérifier les empreintes digitales. So they're asking you to verify your fingerprint, okay? To verify your fingerprint. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Next, we have supprimer. Supprimer les fichiers indésirables. I also said we can use nettoyer, okay? Supprimer les fichiers indésirables. Delete undesired uh, documents. Delete undesired files. Okay, files which you don't want again. You can click. If you see the phrase supprimer les fichiers indésirables, it means delete files which you don't want again. Okay, undesired files. Okay, next we have annuler. Vous voulez vraiment supprimer. So if you have that phrase like we saw earlier, voulez-vous supprimer, voulez-vous désinstaller cette application, ok? Voulez-vous désinstaller cette application? Do you want to uninstall this application? You will see désinstaller, you see annuler. Like we said earlier, annuler simply means cancel. So if you click on annuler, it cancels it, okay? Next, we have éteindre. Votre téléphone bientôt s'éteindre. Votre téléphone va bientôt s'éteindre, pardon. Votre téléphone va bientôt s'éteindre. Your telephone will soon go off. Votre téléphone va bientôt s'éteindre. That is to say, your telephone will soon go off. If you have to plug your charger, you just do it. Votre téléphone va bientôt s'éteindre. Éteindre ici, éteindre is the word for off, okay? Shut down, turn off, okay? I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, please ask below, okay? Next, redémarrer. Redémarrer. Votre téléphone redémarrera bientôt. Votre téléphone redémarrera bientôt. I'm pronouncing the words gradually so that you can also copy the intonation. Votre téléphone redémarrera bientôt. Your telephone will restart, okay? Your telephone will restart. Next, we are looking out at les applications mobiles. Les applications mobiles. Which phrase are we going to have here? We can say gestion de l'application. Gestion de l'application. Gestion, as we saw, is manager, kind of, okay? So we have application manager. Gestion de l'application. Gestion de l'application, okay? Application manager, okay? Next, we have gestionner de fichier. Gestionner de fichier. Which one is this? Fichier, as we saw, are files. So gestionner de fichier becomes files manager. Okay, files manager. Gestionner, you see, here is manager. That does not mean that's the word for manager. Okay, if you wanted to talk about a bank manager, you not say gestionner. Okay, you say directeur de banque. Okay, bank manager is directeur. Directeur. Okay, I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask. And our last phrase here or word is l'heure et date. Okay, as we saw earlier, l'heure et date. If you want more on that, l'heure et date, because there are actually 4 things you have to take note of if you want to know the date or the time, or you want to be able to read it. Okay, you need to be able to know the article to use. You need to know the days of the week, months of the year, and numbers. Okay, so those things have to come into place before you can be able to read the date in French. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much for watching. Share the video with your friends if you like it. We go straight to our exercises now. Exercice numéro 1. Give the meaning of the following phrases. Give the meaning of the following phrases. Phrase number 1, gestion de l'application. Gestion de l'application. Numéro 2, supprimer l'application. Supprimer l'application. Supprimer l'application. Numéro 3, partager l'application. Partager l'application. Numéro 4, vérifiez votre mot de passe. Vérifiez votre mot de passe. Vérifiez votre mot de passe. Okay? And the last question for today, voulez-vous vraiment annuler le mot de passe? Voulez-vous vraiment annuler le mot de passe? You can also see on your screen, vous voulez annuler le mot de passe? Vous voulez annuler le mot de passe. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, thank you, have a nice time, bye bye.